congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me